How to add music to Facebook Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add music to Facebook Reels. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, locate your Facebook app and then open it up. After you open up your Facebook, you'll then need to head over to your profile. Go to your profile on the top right, that is the menu. Then tap on your profile right below menu. Then after you do that, you will be on your profile. Scroll down and there you will see another section that says what's on your mind, and right below it you'll find reel option. Tap on it. After you're here, select the video that you want to add in your reel. Then after you do that, you can tap on the audio section right here. Then what you can do is tap on add music. After you do that, select the music that you want to add. And after you tap on the next button, you will have added the music in your reel, which you can then start sharing. Tap on share now. And after you tap on share now, the reel should start uploading and the reel will contain the music. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.